We went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We did a whip, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 with an outside turn. From the other side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next thing we did was the hustle whip variation of the same thing. So it's a whip with an outside turn for the ladies. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And from the other side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, keeping both hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Thanks, guys, very much. I'll see you Wednesday for two-step class, Friday for progressive double two. Doors open at 7 on those 2 nights. Classes 7:30 to 8:30. Robert, it's all yours, Gail. Thank you.